Hello. So now we will see the stages, the changes which are taking place in the after the fertilization. So that is the next stage. It is the implantation of the zygote. So the mitosis cell division it takes place in the zygote, and as a result of this, the zygote it grows. Okay, then it grows, and after that, it result in the formation of the cells. So now we can see here in this the mitosis division takes place in the zygote, and as a result of it, the zygote starts dividing. So this stage is called as cleavage, where the mitosis cell division takes place in the zygote, and it starts dividing. Okay. After that, this process of division of the zygote, it is called as the cleavage. Then after that, this cleavage takes place, the zygote starts moving towards the uterus. Then as this moves towards the uterus, it forms 2, 4, 8, and 16 daughter cells are being formed. Clear? These 16 daughter cells at this stage, it is called as the blastomeres. These daughter cells, they are called as blastomeres. Then the embryo with this 8 to 16 blastomeres, it is called as morula stage. Okay, this is called as morula stage, where the uh, this zygote or this embryo with this stage of 16 blastomeres, it is called as the morula. Okay, this morula, it continues to divide. The division continuously takes place in this morula stage also. Okay, in this the division takes place, and this morula it continues to divide and it transform into blastocyst. Okay, it convert into blastocyst. Then in this, the blastomeres in the blastocyst are arranged into an outer layer. The cells of this blastocyst, you know, of this blastocyst, they get arranged into two layers. Okay, outer layer it is called as trophoblast. The outer layer of these cells it is called as trophoblast, and the inner cells. Okay, the inner cells they form the inner cell mass. Outer layer they are called as trophoblast, and the inner layer of this blastocyst it is called as the inner cell mass. Okay, it is called as inner cell mass. Then this trophoblast layer it get then attached with the endometrium layer. ट्रोपोब्लास्ट की जो बाहर की जो लेयर होती है वो एंडोमेट्रियम लेयर ऑफ द यूटेरस उससे जाकर के अटैच हो जाती है. ठीक है, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज इम्प्लांटेशन. ठीक है, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज इम्प्लांटेशन वेयर द ट्रोपोब्लास्ट लेयर, the outer trophoblast layer it get attached with the endometrium layer of the uterus. This attachment it is called as implantation. Okay, it is called as implantation. And the inner cell mass, outer cell जो है वो तो अटैच हो जाती है एंडोमेट्रियम के साथ. इनर सेल का जो मास होता है, ठीक है, it gets differentiated as the embryo. Then this inner cell mass ये जो है क्या बनाती है, it starts forming embryo. ठीक है, it starts forming the embryo. Understood? So this is the implantation where the zygote divides. इसके अंदर क्लीवेज होने लगता है. क्लीवेज के बाद जो है it enters into 2, 4, 6 and 8. This 18 cell stage it comes. These are called as blastomeres. और ये ब्लास्टोमेयर्स की जो ये स्टेज होती है इसको कहते हैं मोरुला. देन दिस मोरुला इट डिवाइड्स एंड इट कन्वर्ट इनटू ब्लास्टोसिस्ट. ठीक है, दिस ब्लास्टोसिस्ट इन दिस स्टेज इट फॉर्म्स जो है टू लेयर्स, इट फॉर्म्स टू लेयर्स, टू सेल्स, टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स आर बीइंग फॉर्म। ये जो है सेल्स जो है, एक लेयर जो है वो बाहर की ओर होती है जिसको हम कहते हैं ट्रोपोब्लास्ट। क्या कहते हैं? ट्रोपोब्लास्ट। और अनर इनसाइड वाली जो लेयर है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज इनर सेल मास। इन इनर लेयर इट इज कॉल्ड एज इनर सेल मास। ठीक, द आउटर ट्रोपोब्लास्ट लेयर इट हेल्प the blastocyst to attach with the wall of endometrium. ठीक है, and the inner cell mass it divides and form the embryo. ठीक है, so this is the stage during the implantation. Okay, clear to you? I hope you might have get understood about it. ठीक, clear to you? Okay.